Hi, I am Ali Kavandi, manager of Nedai Darya Group. I invite you to watch this video.
I am Mate Kava. My profession is traveling and producing travel show. I'm going to new places. I talk to local people and pick the information and then edit all of them and make travel show for you. In this episode, I'm going to Pir Taqi Suspension Bridge in Iran. So today I'm going to visit a cable bridge here in the nature of Ardabil province. I will show you that where is it in Iran. This is the end of the road that we can go with the cars, with these normal cars. So we have to walk up this way. So you see, this is the main road over there with two tunnels, and then we came up from that road and we parked over there, and now we are going to walk up to the mountain to reach to the bridge. So it is less than 10 minutes from car parks up to here, and this is the information, and you can see the bridge over there. After this tree at the end you can see the bridge. They mentioned that it is a power plant, a dam and a power plant, but also they mentioned that it is forbidden to enter to the working area, but there is no fence or something. So we will go to see. So this is the last 2% of the road, but it looks the most difficult part because they add some sticks here to protect the road. We'll go to see, and the bridge is over there. So you see, it is cold here and it is windy, so I don't know you can hear me properly or not, but I hope so. So I'm going to walk over this bridge. I'm a little bit afraid of this bridge, but it looks safe. So I cannot measure that how high we are, even I cannot guess, but it is really high, I think. I'm really afraid to look down. And if you want to know about the end of the bridge, it was nothing there. We just faced to a hard rock. I asked some local people and they told me that this bridge is just for some scientific researches. So see you on next episode. Click on like, follow and subscribe. Make no pain to your finger, but remove all of my pains and help me to produce better videos. Thank you.